If you want to back up and restore games on Epic Games, this video will show you the simplest way to do it step by step. This is super useful if you want to move a game to another drive, save space on your PC, or avoid downloading huge game files all over again. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about backing up your Epic Games title. The easiest method is to manually copy the game folder from your PC to an external drive. On Windows, Epic Games usually installs your games in /program files /Epic Games. Inside that folder, you'll see a folder for each game you have installed. So if you want to back up a specific game, open that folder and find the exact game name. Once you've found it, copy the entire game folder. Don't just copy part of it, because you want all the game files to stay intact. After that, paste it onto your external hard drive, SSD, or any safe backup location. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a while, especially if it's a large AAA title. So be patient and let the transfer finish completely before you disconnect anything. Now that your backup is saved, let's move on to restoring the game later. This is the part that saves the most time. Open the Epic Games launcher and start installing the same game again. You do not need to let it finish downloading. Just begin the installation and wait until it reaches around 2 to 3%. This helps Epic create the correct folder structure on your system. As soon as it gets to that point, pause the download and close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it's fully closed in the background as well. Then go back to the folder where Epic is installing the game. Open that new game folder and now paste your backup files into it. When Windows asks if you want to overwrite files, choose yes and replace the files. This step is important because it tells Epic to use the backed up game data you already saved. Once the files are copied over, reopen the Epic Games launcher and resume the download. Epic will scan the files and verify what's already there instead of downloading everything from scratch. In many cases, this can save you a huge amount of time and bandwidth, especially if your game is very large. If the launcher starts checking the files, that's a good sign. Just let it finish the verification process. After that, the game should be fully restored and ready to launch. This method is especially helpful if you're moving games to a new drive, rebuilding your PC, or trying to avoid a full re-download. A quick tip before you go. Always make sure your backup is complete before deleting anything from your original drive. Also, if your game uses mods or extra content, double check that those files are included in your backup too. That way, everything restores properly later. And that's it. Now you know how to back up and restore games on Epic Games the easy way. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.